another unbagging of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Did you guys like that thumbnail, by the way? We were taking the thumbnail, and maybe I'll insert clip here. I feel like you scooch farther and farther away from me. Oh, that's so cute! I'm getting fancy with my technology of editing. So yeah, hence the cute thumbnail. Anyways, guys, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as HotmessmommaMD, and here we embrace the hot mess. We run on pretty much nothing but caffeine, and it is a judgment-free zone. And this beautiful person, sorry, I'm beating her up, to my left, I am so pathetic, I still do that, is my beautiful daughter Haley. And she also has a YouTube channel, always linked and listed in the description box below, so definitely make sure to go over, show her some love. She's doing Vlogmas over there. She's a busy girl. She's working, she's schooling, she's living.
I'm knocking shelves off the wall,
but she's vlogging. Anyways, guys, over here, or today's video, we are going to be unboxing our Ipsy Glambag. We already did our Glambag Plus. I will try and link it up here, but you know me, I'll probably forget, so it'll be at the end of the video with a thumbnail. But this is a monthly subscription service. You fill out a profile. Our profiles are completely different, hence why we do this video. And we compare our bags. I do lie about my age on there, and I do say that I'm like in my 20s. But other than that, everything is completely like truth. Hair, age, no, not age, skin, what I'm scared of, what I'm not. Sorry about the lighting, it's a little wonky over here, so whatever. Anyways, guys, so we put our bags up against each other. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. So anywho, let's just go ahead and jump into the unbagging.
I bought some add-ons.
Oh, and if you guys don't know, I had an issue with my Ipsy, so I didn't get options for add-ons. And by the way, what we're going to be unbagging today is the $12 bag. It used to be $10. But now it's 12. So
my first item that I purchased for extra was the CEO's, or the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This holiday is hydrating, and I need hydration in my life. And it's very nice. It's in a glass bottle. I got it for $12. I'm sure this retails for more than $12.
It's Sunday Riley, so it's really expensive.
Yeah. Then I got this Colored Rain Facial Point Glow Highlighter in the color Focal Point.
Which I have some of it on.
It's very gold.
It's very gold. So I calmed it down with a little bit of my Gerard Cosmetics
But look,
Grace.
It doesn't look super gold on me.
It doesn't.
It does, but like, it's like it goes to your skin tone. That makes sense.
Which is so odd though, because I don't. It pulled really gold on me, guys.
Yeah.
Like, really gold. And like I said, I went in with the Grace shade, which is more of a cool tone champagne color from Gerard Cosmetics.
Then I got this Tipsy Lip Crush lip oil. For some reason I thought this was a full size.
Hold up, did you? Oh, it just comes with a pink applicator. Tipsy?
Mm-hmm. And then I also got this Ciate London lip luster in the color,
oh, I have that,
Call Me. And I thought this was full size too. This actually came in a little velvet bag, which is like cutie.
Do you remember how much those add-ons were?
$3 each.
Well, that's cool. Now, like I said, my Ipsy, if you guys saw our Glambag Plus unboxing, I told you guys, like, your eyeshadow looks so good.
Thank you.
I really like it. Can we zoom in? Editor, Rhonda, zoom in. It's really pretty. What is that?
Sugar Lane, I think it's what it's called, palette from last year's Christmas collection. Or Sugar Trip palette.
It's really pretty. It's blended nice too.
Thank you. And then also a Stila glitter.
I like it.
I filmed it this morning.
Oh yeah.
It's not high quality. I filmed it on my phone.
Whatever. It'll be fine.
It's also from Angle Done Here.
Oh. I forgot what I was talking about too.
That's all.
Okay. Oh, I know what I was saying. Welcome to the Hot Mess Express, where she rambles all the time. Ipsy gave me an issue for December, you guys. I did a dedicated video of the Ipsy Glambag Plus unboxing, and then Haley and I putting ours up against each other. I never got an email or anything for add-ons, which Haley said if I'd gone into the app, I could have done that, or seen it. I don't know what was going on. Everything came really late, and overall my Ipsy Glambag Plus was a hot doggone mess. Worse than your girl. Anyways, in this one, which I'm hopeful is a lot better than the other unboxing, the first one I got is the We Designed This Brush to Make Your Life Easier, Introducing Complex Culture. And you guys told me this was actually Ipsy's personal brand.
We just got one of those in our Ipsy Glambag.
Yeah.
Or I did anyway.
No, I did too. Somebody I was watching said that this is actually like a recycled brush tip. They are.
That was me.
That was you?
In my video, I read it off the box.
Oh, okay. There you go. So see, I watch you. So I guess this is like a nice little highlighting brush. They are soft. I will say the big one that I got, I did not like it.
Oh, really? I used it today. I like it.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't feel like it, like...
It bronze is very good for me.
Maybe that's what I need to try.
I got a chubby face.
Stop.
I don't contour with it. It's so soft.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm trying to open all my boxes right now, so hold on just one second. Diva Beauty eyeshadow. I love their liquid, or their little pot eyeliners. You mix water in them. They're very vibrant and pretty. Anyways, this is in the shade Empire State, and it looks very pretty. It's like,
is it creamy?
Yeah.
It's really pretty.
Oh my gosh, that's so smooth. Looks like this. It's so pretty. That would be such a good inner corner shade. Like,
that is gorgeous.
It's like a very pinky rose goldy beautifulness.
It looks like it melts into your skin. It literally looked like it melted. Okay, so my next item that I got in this $12 bag is 2 sheet masks, which I do like sheet masks. And this is the Firming Pomegranate by Glam Up. And then this one is the Refreshing Peppermint, again by Glam Up. So not mad about it.
My next item is a mini Tarte Park Ave Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. Looks like this.
That's pretty. That actually looks like it would fit your skin tone.
It's like shimmery.
I wonder if it's just like a spray sheen doohickey.
I think it's a spray sheen because it doesn't pop up.
That's cute.
I feel like it might be a little orange on me. I was kind of upset because you know how Tarte really always, their minis have like, they're like flat top. They're not rounded. They're like...
Yeah, I have some.
Yeah, they look like the big sized ones.
Yeah.
I like how they were like this rather than this. This seems chintzy to me. These
yeah,
nice.
I agree. So is it the same as far as 1.5 grams, 0.05 ounces? Or they shrink it down?
This is 1 gram / 0.35 ounces.
So it's smaller, yeah. Because I want to say this actually came in an Ipsy. So this is what the bags look like. They're real similar to the Glambag Plus. Those were like navy blue inside. This is like a hunter green. So I guess good for the holidays. So my next item is Banana Beige Pressed Eyeshadow by Phase Zero Makeup. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to really... So that's really pretty. I don't think I'm going to swatch it only because I have a lot of shadows and a lot of highlighters. So this will probably go into a goodie bag giveaway. But it does look really pretty.
My next item is the H2O Plus Beauty, and this is the Oasis Hydrating Treatment. It's a water gel moisturizer, and it's clinically proven to double skin hydration and moisture for 24 hours, which I need that. I really wish this was bigger than this little tube. It's 10 milliliters, 3.4 fluid ounces, 3.34. It seems full. I don't know, your lights are very bright today.
I don't know what's going on. I think this is throwing everything off.
Okay.
So the next item I got is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush and Kisses. What was yours on?
Mine was a bronzer and Park Ave Princess. Is your box bigger than mine?
It's itty bitty.
Little baby.
It's a pretty color.
That is so fun. Like, you know the people who have bright blush on their cheeks?
You know what that, it reminds me, if you tilt it, it almost has like a NARS Orgasm under, like, you know how it shifts on NARS like that. I don't know if that's even focusing. It's really pretty. I'm not mad about it. That's cute.
My next item I picked, And it is my favorite mascara. It's the Liquid Lash Extension Mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. And it's a little baby mini. And it's in the color Brine, which is a rich black shade. And I'm not going to open it because I'm not having this one dry out. Not that they dry out quick. Like, I've had mine for...
I still need to try it.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. If you don't like it, please give it to me.
You know what we didn't get? A card.
I got a card.
You did?
Yeah.
I did not even get a card. At all. So my last item is a Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30 oil-free.
That's not your last item. I have 2 more.
I don't know, but that's my last item in my bag. And I showed what was on the outside of my bag. So, I mean, it looks like it's a full size. But yeah, I didn't get a card in mine at all. Go ahead and show your...
My last 2 items, I got the Jolie Luxe Cream Mattes liquid lipstick. It's a really pretty purple shade.
By the way, if I didn't tell you guys, we have a house full of children, so that is my youngest daughter upstairs being a goober.
It's in the shade Lavender.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's like overly pretty purple.
It would match your outfit.
What? That's red. Burgundy. Looks like that. Very pretty. Would not match my outfit if you see my sleeve compared to this. No match. Was that my phone?
Yeah, sorry. It almost fell on my toe. I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, give me your final thoughts.
Well, I think I still have 1 item.
Oh, do you really?
Oh, no, I don't. I was just holding my mascara. I mean, like, it's okay. Like, the lipstick's full size, so that's awesome. I love this mascara, so that's awesome. I wish this was a little bigger, but... you know, that's just how it is sometimes. This kind of, like, again, wish it was the regular mini Tarte packaging, and I'm excited about this. So it's good.
Honestly, I was, like, very disappointed with my Glambag Plus, but I feel like for 12 bucks, I don't think this bag was all that bad. I really don't. I think that everything in here was pretty good and suited to me. I didn't get any of those, like, crazy outside my comfort zone colors or anything like that.
The purple lipstick I got.
Yeah, that I would have been like, whew. So I think overall everything was actually good. I feel overall wise, as far as sticking with my profile, I actually think that they did. So that was good. So anyways, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. We're now going to do our Sephora Play unboxing, so make sure to subscribe before you leave if you guys want to see what we got in our Sephora Plays. And of course, I'm uploading here pretty much every single day at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time and 8:15 Eastern Standard Time on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. Like I said, don't forget to check my description box down below for Hailey's channel. She's not been sleeping really good, guys, hence the stretching and the yawning.
I can't help it. Sorry, I'm trying.
Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, friends, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah.
Bye.